have the question. Yeah. So, do you people want me to start from first question or you want me to proceed ahead with question number 13?
Let's start with the first question.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I guess
So,
the people are yet to come. So that till that time, I guess maybe Aishwarya now can come.
okay. So, the first question, like, how many members are there on the board of revenue of Chhattisgarh? What should be the correct answer? Yes,
B, Bangalore.
its answer is B, Bangalore. Right. Next, question number 2. Where is the principal seat of Board of Revenue located?
C, Chennai.
C, Chennai. Okay. Question number 3. Can the Board of Revenue hold sitting at the place other than its principal sitting? Yes.
Yes.
So what should be the correct answer? Because three options are stating yes. Option B, Bangalore, C, Calcutta, and D, Delhi. What should be the correct answer? Yes.
Board of members can decide.
Board of members can decide. No.
It's B.
Yes, it's B, Bangalore. Because the
Full of the
president,
state government, right?
yeah, president with the approval of state government can decide at the place. Now, question number 4. What happens when a member of board is unable to perform their duty? What is the correct answer? Question number 4. Yes.
Option B.
Option B, Bangalore. Yes, Tanvi, you are correct. Question number 5. What is the qualification for becoming a member of Board of Revenue? A degree in law, eligible for appointment as a judge of High Court for 5 years experience as revenue officer, not lower than collector, 10-year experience in revenue administration, a postgraduate degree in any discipline. This is the correct answer.
Judge of High Court.
Yes, it's B, Bangalore. How are the salaries and allowances of board members are funded? From the state's contingency fund, from the state consolidated fund, from separate fund created for the board, directly from state's revenue collection. Number
Consolidated
6.
fund.
Option B.
Yes, option B, consolidated fund. Both of you are correct. Heading towards question number 8. What is board's power of superintendence? Question number 8. What is board's power of superintendence? Superintendence over all revenue official in the state, superintendence over all the matters subject to its appellate or revisional jurisdiction, superintendence over collection of land revenue, superintendence over all land records in the state.
B, Bangalore,
Option B.
subject to appellate or revisional jurisdiction.
Yeah, it's B, Bangalore. Both of you are correct, Tanvi and Malavi. Aditi, is it your first class here? Just want to know if I'm audible to you. Question number 9. How are the powers and functions of the board exercised? Only by the full body collectively, by the benches constituted of one or more members as per the rules framed by the board, by the president of the board exclusively, by individual members as assigned by the president. Question number 9. What's the correct answer? Yes, question number 9. Okay, its correct answer is B, Bangalore. By the benches constituted of one or more members as per the rule framed by the board. In yesterday's class, we have discussed about it. Now, question
Is
number
it
10. What?
regarding section number 8
Yep.
covers
Yep.
the same covers
I'll,
with
I'll,
the section?
I'll show you the provision also. Just wait for a second. Now, section number 9. Just read these lines. The board may make rules for exercise of powers and functions of the board by the benches constituted of one or more members thereof. Right? The question is derived from here. Is it clear?
Okay, yes, sir.
Now, next question. Question number 10. What happened to the cases pending before the Board of Revenue of Chhattisgarh on 31st October 2002?
It should be decided by the board.
They shall be yes.
Option C.
Option C, Calcutta. Yes. They shall be heard by the new Board of Revenue of
Yes,
Chhattisgarh.
sir.
Question number 11. What happened to the first appeal against the order of the collector pending before the board? First appeal order against the order of the collector. Yes.
They were transferred to the commissioner.
Yes, they will be transferred to the commissioner. Next, question number 12. What happened to the second appeal against the order of SDO, subdivisional officer, or the collector pending before the board? Question number 12. Second appeals against the order of SDO and collector or pending before the board. Again,
Commissioner.
yes, they will also be transferred to the commissioner. Correct. Question number 30. 13 is repeated. Question number 40. What could parties do with the cases of review, revision, and other proceeding transferred to the board from the commissioner after 23rd November 2022 and pending before the board? Question number 40. Getting confused?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Its correct answer is they again will be transferred to the commissioner. I'll give you the reference. Read this line. All the cases of review, revision, and other proceeding which is to transfer to the board from the commissioner after 23rd November 2002 and still pending before the board, the party may make an application for transfer of such cases to the commissioner. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any matters which is pending at the commencement, whether is it first appeal, second appeal, or review, revision, everything will be transferred to the commissioner only.
Right, exactly. Right? Now, according to section 3, what constitutes the Board of Revenue of Chhattisgarh? According to section 3, who constitutes Board of Revenue of Chhattisgarh? Chairman and 2 members, President as many members as state government deems fit, President, Vice President and Secretary, Chairman and 4 members. What is the correct answer?
Option
Or
D.
more other members.
No, not 4 other members. Its answer is President and as many members as the state government deems fit. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
As
sir.
per section 3, it's clearly mentioned. Do not get confused. Question number 16. According to section 4, who appoints the principal seat of Board of Revenue? Who appoints the principal seat of Board of Revenue? The President of the Board, Chief Minister, Governor, State Government through a notified order.
Option C.
Yes, State Government through notified orders. Again, question number 17. According to section 5, who may appoint a person to be the member of board temporarily? Who can be the member of the board temporarily? Okay. Now, the president of the board, the chief justice of the high court, the state government, the governor of the Chhattisgarh. Who
Governor.
can? नहीं, state government. देखो, You people are getting slight confused. I'll tell you.
In
यहाँ पे
section
मैं
5, exception 1, it is written that the governor.
section 5 subsection 1 by the state government,
Okay.
right? There is no role of anyone else except state government. Don't forget that, right?
Yes.
Now, question number 6. Allowances we have already discussed, contingency fund. Now, question number 19. According to section 7, what additional power or functions can the state government confer upon the board? Powers relating to criminal matter, powers assigned to the state government by or under any enactment, powers related to legislative matters, power related to environmental issues. What is the correct answer?
Option B.
Option B, yes, power assigned to the state government by or under any enactment of law. Now, question number 21. According to section 8, what powers does the board have over authorities within its jurisdiction? Administrative control, disciplinary action, superintendence, and ability to call for returns, financial oversight. What is the correct answer?
Superintendence and ability to call for returns. C.
Option
Yes.
C.
Yes, it's option C. Now, this we have already discussed. Now, yeah, question number 26. Which of the following is not a class of revenue officer mentioned in the provided text of section?
Option
कौन
B.
नहीं है?
District judge.
District. Yes. What is the hierarchical relationship between revenue officers and state government? Hierarchical relation between state government and revenue officer.
Option B.
Yes, all revenue officers are subordinate to the state government. Question number 28. Who are all revenue officer in a division subordinate? जितने भी एक division में जितने भी subordinate officer हैं और revenue officer हैं वो किसके subordinate में होंगे? Collector, तहसीलदार, commissioner, settlement commissioner.
Commissioner.
Commissioner, yes, very good. Now,
Section
question number
12, right?
Yes.
It is given in section 12 only, right, sir?
Yep, it is given in section 12. Who are all revenue officers in district generally subordinate to unless the state government directs otherwise? सारे revenue officer एक district में किसके subordinate होते हैं?
The collector, B. Section
Yes,
12.
it's
Collector.
yes, collector. Now, which of the following revenue officer was explicitly removed from the list provided? किसको explicitly remove किया गया है और उसको एक separate section में डाला गया है?
Option B. Commissioners.
Yes, option B, commissioner. Very good.
It is
Next,
given with
which
section, sir?
yeah, section 12 से remove करके 11 से remove करके 12 में डाला गया. देखिए, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Omitted. Yesterday we have discussed about it.
Yes, sir.
Next, which of the following pair of revenue officers are both involved in settlement related activities? कौन है जो settlement related activities में भी involved है?
Settlement officers.
Option
Yes.
C.
Option C, settlement officers and deputy settlement officers. Yes. Which of the following is a class of revenue at the highest level in the district administration? 32.
Collector.
Now, which of the following officer is responsible for the land records at the most granular level? Land records के लिए कौन responsible है at the most granular level?
Assistant Superintendent of Land Records. Option B.
Yes, it's yes, option B. Correct. Question number 34. what is the relationship between deputy collector and joint collector as provided in the information? Deputy collector and joint collector के बीच में क्या relation?
So option A.
Yes, they are equivalent position. They both are equivalent. Now, question number 35. From highest to lower order में arrange कीजिए district में. Question number 35.
Option B.
Option B, yes, collector, SDO, then Tehsildar. Clear है यहाँ तक?
Sir, can you show the question number 29 again?
29. Yeah.
And 31, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we start our discussion?
Yes, sir.
Now, section 13. Power to alter, create or abolish divisions, district or sub-districts or tehsil. Do we have discussed section 13 in class? I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are done with it.
So can you zoom in a bit more, sir?
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Power to appoint commissioner of division. We know that the term division means, yesterday we have understood, Sambhag, which is above to district. Right? Now, so the state government shall appoint in each division a commissioner who shall exercise therein the power and discharge the duties conferred and imposed upon commissioner by or under this code or any other enactment for the time being in force. तो अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ कमिश्नर कहां पे होगा? सेक्शन 14. ठीक है? And who is going to appoint that commissioner? State government. And that commissioner shall be responsible at what level? At the division level. Right? The state government may subject to such condition as it deems fit to impose by notification confer upon the commissioner any power or functions assigned to the state government by or under any enactment for the time being in force. It's very simple. State government चाहे तो वो कोई भी रोल या लाइबिलिटी दे सकती है under this law or any other law for the time being in force. Right? To whom? To the commissioner. आपको हर जगह पे एक चीज याद रखनी है, जहां कहीं पे भी पावर देने की बात आती है वो किसके पास है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पास है. राइट? तो जब भी पावर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आएगा तो योर आंसर शुड ऑलवेज बी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. नाउ next, section number 50, power to appoint additional commissioner. Now this provision has been added in 2008. Right? Power to appoint additional commissioner. Now, the state government may appoint an additional commissioner in the division or in 2 or more divisions. Right? Now, an additional commissioner shall exercise such power and discharge such duties as conferred and imposed on a commissioner by or under this code or any other enactment for the time being in force, or class of cases as the state government may subject to any general or special restriction imposed by the state government by an order writing direct. So basically जो आपका एडिशनल कमिश्नर है उसकी पावर इज सेम एज ऑफ द पावर ऑफ कमिश्नर. राइट? जैसे हमने कल बात की थी ना कि कलेक्टर और जो एडिशनल कलेक्टर है उनके पास सेम पावर है. Right? In the same way, जो कमिश्नर और एडिशनल कमिश्नर है, they are at division level and they enjoy same set of power. Now, this code and any other enactment for the time being in force, ठीक है? Any rule made under this code or any other any such other enactment shall except otherwise directed apply to the additional commissioner while exercising its power. It's very simple. सेम वही क्लॉज है कि इस कोड के अंदर जो कमिश्नर को पावर दी गई है वो सेम पावर कौन एंजॉय करेगा? एडिशनल कमिश्नर. अब देखो, अब आपको ना इनका एक ऑर्डर याद रखना, सेक्शन 14 ऑनवर्ड्स. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. सेक्शन 14 में किसका अपॉइंटमेंट है? ये एमसीक्यू में आता है. सेक्शन 14 में कौन है? यस, कमिश्नर. 15 में कौन है? एडिशनल कमिश्नर. 16 में कौन है? कलेक्टर. ठीक है. सेक्शन 17 में कौन है? एडिशनल कलेक्टर. देखिए उसी ऑर्डर में है जिस ऑर्डर में हमने पिछले प्रीवियस क्लासेस में पढ़ा था ना, उसी ऑर्डर में ही ये अरेंज है. राइट. अब इसके बाद सेक्शन 18 में कौन आएगा? कलेक्टर के नीचे कौन था? यस, एनी आइडिया? भूल गए? असिस्टेंट कलेक्टर, ज्वाइंट कलेक्टर, डेप्यूटी कलेक्टर, ये सब किसके सबऑर्डिनेट है? कलेक्टर के. राइट. तो ये आ गए आपके 18 में. ठीक है. फिर सेक्शन 19 में आपके कौन आ जाएंगे? इनके नीचे कौन थे? रिमेंबर एनीथिंग? तहसीलदार, एडिशनल तहसीलदार, नायब तहसीलदार. क्लियर है? अच्छा ये बताओ, जो मैं बोल रहा हूं उस चीज से कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो आप लोग? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
यस. मालवी, आदिति?
ये सर एडिशनल कलेक्टर जो है वो नीचे आएगा, मतलब जॉइंट एंड एडिशनल आर इन द सेम. दिस इज व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से सर.
Yeah, what I'm trying to convey, let me make it clear for you. If you want, you can write it as it is. ठीक है. Appointment of various revenue. ठीक है. किस प्रोविजन में कौन अपॉइंट हो रहा है? ठीक है. हाँ, सबसे पहले कौन आ जाएगा आपका? यस, सबसे पहले कौन आएगा? सेक्शन 14 कमिश्नर. सेक्शन 15 एडिशनल कमिश्नर. सेक्शन 16 कलेक्टर. सेक्शन 17 एडिशनल कलेक्टर. सेक्शन 18 जॉइंट डेप्यूटी एंड असिस्टेंट कलेक्टर. सेक्शन 19 तहसीलदार, नायब तहसीलदार. ठीक है. सेक्शन 20 में आ जाएगा आपका लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स वाला. ठीक है. रिकॉर्ड्स एंड एडिशनल. यस. क्या ये चीज जो सामने लिखी है ये इससे आप कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो? यस और नो? पहले तो ये बता दो.
We are just able to see the original screen, what you wrote earlier. Right now, what you wrote, we are not able to see. Where did you
Yes,
write?
sir.
What
You are
did
not able
you
to
write?
see what I have written just now.
No, 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 sir, not
No,
anything.
sir.
Just wait for a second. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So technically सेक्शन 14 में किसका है अपॉइंटमेंट कमिश्नर, 15 एडिशनल कमिश्नर, 16 कलेक्टर, 17 एडिशनल कलेक्टर, 18 जॉइंट डेप्यूटी एंड असिस्टेंट कलेक्टर, 19 तहसीलदार एंड नायब तहसीलदार, 20 सुपरिटेंडेंट्स ऑफ लैंड रिकॉर्ड एंड एडिशनल सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स। ठीक है, ये यहां तक क्लियर है, यस और नो? पहले तो
Yes,
ये
sir.
बताओ।
Yes, sir.
ठीक
Yes.
है, अब ये मैं आपको एक ऑर्डर में बता रहा हूं ताकि आपके लिए समझना इजी हो, राइट? आप इसी हायरार्की में याद रखेंगे तभी आपको याद रहेगा। 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, राइट? नाउ यहां तक क्लियर है? अब सेक्शन
Yes.
21 रिपील है, ये याद रखने वाला है कि सेक्शन 21 रिपील है। सेक्शन 22 में है एसडीओ, दैट इज सब डिविजनल ऑफिसर। ठीक है, सेक्शन 23 में है आपका सबऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर्स, राइट? यहां तक टेक्निकली आपको केवल ये सेक्शन नंबर और जो मैंने लिखा है बस इतना याद रखना है। और दूसरी चीज ये याद रखनी है कि सबका अपॉइंटमेंट एक ही इंसान कर रहा है, एक ही अथॉरिटी कर रही है, दैट इज
State
स्टेट
government.
गवर्नमेंट। ठीक है, इसके अलावा आपको इनमें कुछ याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। यस और नो?
Yes.
Now, what I want you people, do you people have Direct of CGLRC?
Yes, sir.
Malvi, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do one thing. Now just do the plain reading of section 14 to section 23 right now. And then we are going to proceed ahead. If you are having any doubt, I'll discuss that, or else we are going to proceed ahead. Right? Section 14 to section 23.
Yes, sir.
Just do the plain reading quickly. Aditi, you also please do the plain reading and then we are going to proceed ahead.
So do you have anything any chart or anything in that form that uh, who appoints who appoints them and who confers
All
the
of
power?
all of them are appointed by state government, and all of them are like their power have been conferred upon them by the state government itself, right?
But uh, okay.
Mhm. Yes, please. You want to ask something? Please go ahead.
The powers, duties, and the that they discharge, that they are imposed upon them, that will be as if they were like an additional commissioner. They will be imposed as if they are a commissioner only, right?
Yeah, yeah. In the
Okay.
same way, जो एडिशनल कलेक्टर है उसको वही पावर दी जाएंगी जो कलेक्टर को दी गई है, राइट? जॉइंट डेप्यूटी और असिस्टेंट कलेक्टर को अलग पावर दी जाएंगी, who are subordinate to collector.
Yes, sir. Getting. And whatever duties they will, sir, do, they will be imposed upon them by collector
Hmm?
only, be it tehsildar, be it additional collector, joint collector, assistant collector. Everyone would be uh, doing the duties as may be directed by the collector, right, sir?
Yep.
In 14 to 23.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, Tanvi.
Done.
Then okay. Malvi.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Aditi, if you want, you can write it in the chat section. Like, are you done with it or no? नो डाउट? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है आप लोगों को? आगे बढ़े। यस।
Like earlier in PYQs, have they asked directly the sections from any of these sections?
Yep. They have asked the questions directly from the section number,
Okay.
right? Regarding the appointment, ki under which section the appointment is done, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ते हैं, heading towards next question, next segment, directly jumping to section 22, 23 we are done. ठीक है. 24. Conferral by the state government of powers on revenue officers, on officials and other persons. The state government may confer on any person the power conferred under this code on any revenue officer. The state government may confer on any assistant collector, tehsildar or naib tehsildar the power conferred by this code as a revenue officer of the highest grade. So here again, yes.
Sir, I am unable to see the Bare Act provision.
Okay, just a second. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
No. Section 24, it's very simply stating that the state government can confer the power of revenue officer, okay, to any assistant collector, tehsildar, naib tehsildar, etc. This section is not that important. You don't have to follow it. Okay. Section 25, power exercisable on transfer. If any revenue officer who has been invested with any power under this code in any tehsil or district is transferred to an equal or higher grade officer of the same nature in any other tehsil or district, he shall, unless the state government otherwise direct, exercise the same power under this code in such other tehsil or district. So what they are trying to convey, जैसे एक इंसान है वो रायपुर का कलेक्टर है, ठीक है, फिर उस कलेक्टर का ट्रांसफर होता है और रायपुर से उसको दुर्ग शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता है या भिलाई शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता है या बिलासपुर शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता है, राइट? तो वो वहां पे जाके ऑटोमेटिकली वही पावर्स एज अ कलेक्टर एंजॉय करने लगेगा अंडर CGLRC जो वो यहां पे रायपुर में एंजॉय कर रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली, राइट? until and unless state government specifically उसको मना ना करे. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now next section 26, collector in case of temporary vacancies. ठीक है. If the collector dies or is disabled from performing his duties, the officer who is temporarily placed in charge of the current duties of the collector shall be held to be collector under this code until the state government appoints a successor to the collector so dying or disabled and such successor take charge of his appointment. तो डेफिनेटली जो कलेक्टर होगा, ठीक है, अगर उसका कोई टेम्परेरी सस्पेंशन होता, टेम्परेरी अपॉइंटमेंट होता है, मतलब एड हॉक सर्विसेज किसी की ली जाती है एज अ कलेक्टर, तो वो जो कलेक्टर होगा वो भी वही पावर्स एंजॉय करेगा जो कलेक्टर एंजॉय कर रहा था एट द टाइम व्हेन ही वाज अलाइव और व्हेन ही वाज नॉट सस्पेंडेड फ्रॉम हिज ड्यूटी, तब तक जब तक कि ये एडहॉक हटा के नेक्स्ट परमानेंट कलेक्टर नहीं आ जाता, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट परमानेंट कलेक्टर अपॉइंट नहीं हो जाता. इज इट क्लियर? यस.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we will do, like we'll stop here for the day till section 26. Chapter 4 will start in the next class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear to you, Malvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on Monday we are going to meet up again and we are going to start with chapter 4, right?
Okay, sir. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.